Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and then like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlamenes on Monday, Kwenzo and Tabile find common ground and a trip to the sea seals their bond. Vuma wonders why people of Ikopo sent him a creep visitor when Zeni is jealous of the praises that Temba gets at every 10. On Tuesday, both Sbongile and Kwenzo are struggling with their long distance relationship when Zeni finds a way to sabotage Temba's future as a soccer player. Ntombela exaggerates about what he has seen. On Wednesday, a fleeting moment between Kwenzo and Tabile ignites an unexpected spark. Samke tells Vuma about a spiritual battle between this world and the next, when Zeni isn't thrilled about the family's celebration of Temba. Thank you guys for watching.